I'm working in the garden today, so it might be a little bit noisy. I watched Mixed Media Masters channel where they made this grid of mini watercolour masterpieces. I thought I'd have a go at making my own. The difference is with these ones is that I cut 3cm squares rather than tear them, and then I used a corner edger so that I've got rounded corners and not sharp edges. And where on the Mixed Media Masters channel that I watched, these were stuck down with cardboard that was raised up to give it a bit of dimension. I just used sticky foam pads to raise up the squares. Also, I mounted mine in this frame. It's not stuck down yet, it's just temporary. And then what I did was I went round the edge with a pencil so I knew exactly where to place my little squares inside. Also, the reason I didn't make 100 squares is because I was using this vintage watercolour paper, really old, from back in the 1960s, 50s or 60s this was made, and I had one sheet left. So I used that one sheet and cut it up, and it was 35 squares that fitted neatly onto this. So what do you think? I really enjoyed making this. I'll leave the link to the Mixed Media Masters channel so you can see another variation.